Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install or add a printer on Windows 10. Guys, I'm going to show you how you can do that. It's really easy and simple. So first things first guys, you want to right click on start and then click on settings right here from this menu. Okay, it's actually very easy and user friendly. There's almost no technical knowledge you require. I'm going to show you just how you can do that. So you want to come here to devices, right? You see your printers, click on devices, and then you want to select this option right here, printers and scanners. So you either connect it through the USB or through your Wi-Fi connection, okay? So what I want you to do, if you're connected by Wi-Fi, you can just click here, add a printer or scanner, or you can connect it with the USB to, the printer cable. Right, click here on scan. So it's going to search for your printers and scanners. If you don't find them here, since I don't have a printer connected to my Wi-Fi, you click on here. Okay, the printer I want isn't listed, so you can click on this and it's going to bring you another drop down of settings, a menu where they're going to ask you if you want to add a local printer or a network printer with manual settings right here, guys. So you can search it using, here. You can add it manually. You can add it using the IP address. You can use it using the wireless network, which you're connected via Wi-Fi. Okay, for example, here you can choose manual settings, and then you can choose the port and things like that, guys. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. Usually you would just see it right here, but if you want to select a port, just do create a new port and then select standard C TCP/IP port, and then you can type in your printer's IP address and click next. Okay. But anyways, guys, usually you just see it here if you are connected via Wi-Fi or you have connected via USB cable. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. Then you just want to install the printer driver and click next, and then you will be installed and you're going to be able to print, guys. You're going to see it listed as one up here. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below your thoughts. As always, guys,